In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Spotify playlist on card.co. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, clickable button on your card site that takes visitors straight to your Spotify playlist. It's quick, it's simple, and you won't need any code. All you'll do is grab a link from Spotify and place it into a button element in card. Start in Spotify, open the app or the web player and navigate to the playlist you want to share. Make sure it's the exact playlist you want people to hear. Next, open the menu by clicking the three dots, often labeled More. From there, choose Share, then Copy Link. That copies the playlist's URL to your clipboard. A quick tip here: if you want anyone to listen without issues, ensure the playlist is accessible to the public on Spotify. If it's private, only you or people you've specifically shared it with will be able to open it. Now head over to Card, open your site and click Edit to enter the builder. You'll see your page as it is now, along with the panel where you can add and configure elements. What we want is a simple call to action that directs visitors to Spotify. Add a button element. You can place it wherever it makes the most sense for your layout, like near a hero image or in a section dedicated to music. Give the button a clear label that sets expectations, something like listen on Spotify or play the playlist. Short, action-oriented labels work best. While you're here, adjust the style to match your site's branding, fonts, colors, and spacing. Good contrast helps readability, and a little extra padding often makes buttons look more inviting. With the button selected, open the link settings, choose the URL option, and paste the Spotify link you copied earlier into the URL field. Double check that the entire link is there with no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Card will handle the rest so that when someone clicks the button, they're taken to the playlist in Spotify's web player or the app, depending on their device and preferences. That's it. You've connected your Spotify playlist to your card site using a straightforward button. Visitors now have a clear, easy path to your music, and you've kept your page tidy and on brand. If you ever update the playlist in Spotify, the link stays the same, so you won't need to change anything on your site. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your playlist with your audience.